Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever and whenever you're watching this video. This is your friend Navaratri and welcome back to the channel Build Your Own Build. Today is, what the date is? It's 1st of October and it's almost 8 o'clock in the evening. Yeah, it's not day, today is the night and I'm gonna take you on the road of my city in night. This will be the first time I'll be trying GoPro for first time in the nightlife. So if you're ready, let's get started.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro.
Now I'm sorry for the interruption guys, but this is the second day, 2nd of October morning. Now yesterday before going for a ride, I messed up something with camera setting and the video I got, it was all dark. And the footage I got after ride, it was like this. Look at this, they are cutting the trees again. So there's no point of showing this, but there's nothing to worry. I'll get you on the ride again with new sightings tonight. So let's continue the video with new sightings. Hello guys, so today I have changed the settings and now I have increased the ISO all up to 3200 and now I hope I'll be getting pretty lightened up footage as compared to yesterday's completely dark. So this is 10:30 in the night and the reason why you are seeing this much crowd on the street of the city because of this festival, the festival called Navaratri, a 9-day festival of dance. These are the only days when we get to see this much crowd on the road of the city. So I'm gonna take you to the different places where this festival actually takes place and I hope you get to see the glimpse of that festival. I'm not riding that fast because a friend of mine is coming with me, but I think he's way behind. Okay, so now we are at sector 6. We are near to sector 6, and I don't know if you can hear it or not, but see those lights over there. Now this is sector 5. We have to go to sector 4. That will be on the left. Okay, so we are almost near to sector 4. This is the place where a local Garba takes place, and Garba means, I hope you all know, Garba means that dance, that form of dance which people do during this festival. Okay, so it is just here from next gen. We have to take right. So that was the short video which I shot yesterday with my GoPro Hero 7 Black in night light. So how was the video and how was the cool time lapse? Please put your thoughts below in the comment section. Now talking about the performance of GoPro in the night light. So I would say that the sensors we have on our GoPros, those are much smaller as compared to what we have on our bigger DSLRs or mirrorless cameras. So obviously the GoPro is gonna struggle in the night light. But there is a way by which you can get the best possible footage out of your smaller GoPro cameras. So what you have to do is go to settings and put the Pro Tune mode on. Now this will give access to setting everything manually. Now go to ISO. Now what is ISO? ISO simply means the sensitivity of your sensor towards light. The more will be the ISO numbers, the brighter your footage will look. But as you'll go further in the numbers, your image might also get much noise in it. So you'll have to find that perfect balance between the brightness and the noise in your footage. So it is recommended to keep your ISO as low as 200 if you're shooting in the daylight. But for these settings, I personally tried it to set it at 3200, and the result you saw, it was like that. And of course you can do some changes and settings in editing. So that's how can you get the best footage from your GoPro. So that's it for the today's video. If you like this video, please press the like button below and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, ciao. Now I know that today's video was more about camera and less about automobile, but this is the way from which we are filling the automobile right now. So I hope you'll like it.